the solution for this example. So the first thing we're asked to do is just a straight copy paste. So I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to copy it with a Control C, and I'm going to paste it with a Control V. Everything's exactly the same. It's still in copy mode, but I'm going to anyway just highlight all of it, copy it. We now want to do a paste special as formulas. So I like to use the right click and click on paste special. And you'll see there's an item called formulas. When we click OK, it brings through just the formulas. So you can see it looks quite different. I'm going to go to that one. I'm going to copy it again. Now we're going to paste special as formats. So again, right click, paste special. This time we're going to choose format. When I say OK, you'll see it looks blank, but let's put all the formatting in, including the format of the numbers, the conditional formatting. The next one, we copy it, we're going to paste it as values. So right click, paste special, and we're going to choose values. Next one, we're still in copy mode, so notice down here, we still got something copied, so we can actually just keep using it. So it's going to be a paste special formulas and number formats. So right click, paste special, and now on this side we've got formulas and number formats. So you'll see that compares to this. So this one, they look the same, but these are not formatted nicely. Those are better formatted. This one we're going to do two paste specials. So I'm going to right click and say paste special. We're going to say all except borders, and it puts it in. You'll see there's no lines here. And on top of it, we're going to say paste special, column widths. And in this case, because the columns are already aligned, it didn't change, but that would normally change the column widths. And the last one, right click, paste special, and we're going to say transpose. And you'll see that's what it looks like.